guys, welcome back to my channel. So the slime packets that I showed you guys in my last video, I'm just going to take them out of the containers and show you and play with them, and we're going to see how they really are instead of me just opening it and stretching it and looking at it. So I'm just going to put it down and then we're going to take a look and see how they are. So this is the green that I ordered, but in the camera it looks white, but it's actually green. And she put sparkles in it. I don't know why, because I asked for just green. But this one's actually pretty good. So I'll give the green a thumbs up, even though she put sparkles in it. But that one's good. So I will give that one a thumbs up. Okay, so orange. I think the orange is going to be really good. So, ooh, this one's definitely a thumbs up. So orange, thumbs up. Ooh, the red though. Dude, oh god, I broke it. The red though, I will give this one a thumbs up. So red, thumbs up. And then borax. We're not gonna play with that, guys. Try that's a slime cup by that. And then my change, we're not gonna play with that either. So the one that I don't like is this one. All I don't like is the color, because it was supposed to be purple, but it's gray. But look how stretchy that is. So I will say I will give this a thumbs up, except for the color. I don't like that color. Sorry guys, my camera fell. I do not like that color. But that's okay, guys. It's still a really good slime, just the color's not right. That's fine. It's okay. So our last one is blue. And guys, don't worry. I ordered another slime package, and well, I ordered it today, and I'll probably get it like next week or the week after that, because it is far away. They don't live where I live. And plus it's a lot, so I have to wait a long time to get it. But this one, it took like 2 days. I ordered it the other day, and then it came in like 2 days after that. So blue. This one is really a thumbs up. This one's like so good. Like, I ordered it from the same place that I ordered these from, but they said that they didn't have the ones that I wanted right now in stock. So I have to wait a little bit longer, and that's all. So the bag just has my little baggies that the slime goes in, the container goes in, and then it's food. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below for more videos. Tell me what kind of videos you want, and I'll make them. Like we can do challenges, 24-hour challenge or something. Okay guys, love you. Peace out.